Hey Easy Technology fans, in this tutorial we're going to be showing y'all how to hide Windows 11's taskbar on secondary monitors. Windows 11 allows you to hide the taskbar on your additional monitors while keeping it enabled on the primary monitor. And in order to do that, you'll need to tweak the settings, and I'll be showing you how to do that right now. So this is very easy. All you have to do is simply go ahead and select the Start menu and go ahead and select Settings. If it's not pinned over here, then simply just type in Settings. Select the application that pops up, and what you want to do is go ahead and select Personalization on the left-hand side. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and find where it says Taskbar. So go ahead and select that. And what you want to do is go ahead and scroll all the way down once again. Find where it says Taskbar Behaviors. Go ahead and select that. And scroll all the way down. And what you want to do is simply toggle off Show My Taskbar on all displays. Now this is grayed out because I don't have any secondary monitors connected to my computer as of now. But if you do have a second or third monitor connected, you will find this option, and all you have to do is simply toggle it off. And that's all you have to do, so Windows 11 will no longer display the taskbar on your secondary monitor. Your primary monitor will still have it. And you can also hide that as well. If you want to hide it for your primary monitor, then all you have to do is select Automatically Hide the Taskbar right over here. And as you can see, the taskbar gets hidden and doesn't show unless you go all the way down. Then it shows when you need it. Otherwise, it's also hidden. Alright, so that concludes my tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.